In this video, I'll show you how to pay with Apple Pay on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your iPhone and log in to your account. Make sure your Binance account is verified, because buying crypto with Apple Pay usually requires identity verification. Before starting, also make sure Apple Pay is already set up on your iPhone. You need to have a supported debit or credit card added to your Apple Wallet. If Apple Pay is not ready yet, open the Wallet app, add your card, and complete your bank's confirmation process. Now go back to Binance. From the home screen, tap Buy Crypto. Depending on your app version and region, this may also appear as buy, deposit, or cash. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, you can select Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, or another coin supported in your country. Then enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency. After entering the amount, Binance will show the available payment methods. Look for Apple Pay and select it. If you do not see Apple Pay, it may not be supported for your region, currency, card, or Binance account type. In that case, you can choose another payment method, such as credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or cash balance. Once Apple Pay is selected, review the order summary carefully. Check the crypto amount, exchange rate, payment amount, and any fees before you continue. Crypto prices can change quickly, so make sure the final amount still looks correct. When you are ready, tap Confirm or Buy. Your iPhone will open the Apple Pay confirmation screen. Approve the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After the payment is approved, Binance will process your purchase. The crypto will usually appear in your Spot wallet shortly after the transaction is completed. To check your balance, go to Wallets, open Spot, and search for the coin you purchased. You can also check your order history if you want to confirm the payment details, and that's how you pay with Apple Pay on Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.